Good morning, and welcome to Max Patch. It's a beautiful, cool 59 degrees. Drove about an hour to get here. It's freaking gorgeous. I passed deers and goats and turkeys. This is what I'm looking at. See, that's kind of why I got clover tattooed on me with some fescue and a couple bugs that you see around here. I always know I'm on my path. Always, right? On the path. Just looking up. Super easy walk. You can take your time going up these steps. The trail is lined with Mother Nature's glitter. Queen Anne's lace, clover, even some pretty poison ivy leaves here and there. So we're coming up. Oh my goodness. Oh God. Look at that fence. Do you guys see the moon? Up there, I don't know if you can see it. Holy shit. Ooh. The hair on my body is standing up like this grass right now. Some in excess. Yes, please. Oh my word. Holy shit. I gotta stop cussing on these things. Good morning. Holy crap. Look at that. Life is really great at the top of Max's Patch. We're basically, you can find a lot of little patches like this. The kids, you walk around and there's a little patch right there. Walk over there, and there's a patch right there, and there's a patch right there. So come to Max's Patch, where you can patch to the max. So yeah, check this out, just kind of enjoying the view. Hello, interesting maze. Looks like a lot of fun, whatever that is.